How to restrict group chat in Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can restrict your group chat in your Messenger account. So without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Messenger application from your device and get logged into your Facebook Messenger account. Now let's go ahead and tap on any group. Tap on the eye icon on your top right. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Here you cannot see the option of restrict. However, you can do something similar to restricting a group chat. You can mute the group chat by tapping onto notification and sound. Here, toggle on the messages option and tap on until I change it. And tap on OK. Do the same for others as well. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.